how to start selling on your application Vestiaire Collective. So hola everyone, I'm gonna show you in this video how to do this. Just watch and follow this video till the end. So first you have to upload Vestiaire application. When you open it, it will open directly here on your homepage. Come right now and click here sell. So right now what you should do, come and click start selling, and right now you will choose the type, for example girls wear clothing, for example this, and you have to select the brand or search for a brand. I don't know, I will just choose someone is random just to show you guys. Longer access, I don't know, I choose this, then I click next, and you have to write your information, for example the everything here, your photos, descriptions, sellers, condition, price, optional information, then click submit. For me, I don't have time to write all of this, so you do it with yourself, and that's it. You start a seller on this application. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next.